Hello, everyone. This is Alex from Marine Log. I'm here at Workboat 2023 with Lee Hedd, the Regional Sales Director for the Americas for BMT. Lee, thank you so much for being here with us
Thanks,
today.
Alex. Yeah, no problem.
So, the readers and viewers want to know if you could please just give us a brief overview of who BMT is in the maritime space and your agendas that you've been trying to accomplish here lately.
Yeah, awesome. No, BMT, we're a maritime domain-focused technical services engineering consultancy. We offer a broad spectrum of services across many facets of the marine industry. We've got operations in UK, Europe, Asia Pacific, and of course here in the Americas as well.
Okay, perfect. So, in terms of what you're trying to achieve here at this show, Workboat 2023,
Yep.
what's on your radar here?
We came to this show with three key missions, really.
Okay.
First was to present our new electric ferry design to the market. It's an all-electric solution, something that we've been working on as a concept, just now to get some conversation started around that new technology and what that means for the industry. Also then to look at a broader base of our service offering into the space. We're known in the region for CTVs and ferries, but we have a much broader service suite that we can offer.
Yes.
So we're sort of putting that out there. And of course, finally, why are you here? To meet clients, meet friends, and to just engage with the great event that the Workboat show is.
Yeah, I mean, this is once a year. It's the premier event.
It is indeed. Yep.
Okay, so in terms of the focuses that you are specifically BMT focusing on, with trends coming up the next year, things that you're noticing in the industry that you hear your customers asking for.
Yep.
Can you kind of give us a rundown on that?
Yeah, there's some key sort of what I'll put in sort of trends and challenges right now.
Yeah.
The most significant one we're seeing in the industry is sort of managing the energy transition, energy transformation space.
Okay.
What does that mean in terms of alternate fuels? What does it mean in terms of battery technologies? What does it mean in terms of basically being able to push our industry and the technology into a more sustainable area?
Mm-hmm.
It's definitely a key area that we're focused on here.
Yes.
And it's a key part of the industry moving forward, of course.
Yeah, I mean, sustainability is a hot button topic. It has been for a few years now. So, in terms of the challenges, I keep hearing that the actual shipyards and making sure that the infrastructure is ready for these changes is a big thing that people are looking into. What does BMT think about that?
I think the making the yards ready for all those changes and transformations is important from a logistic management and infrastructure perspective. But there's also another facet to that. What we're seeing as well in the marine industry is the digitization of equipment.
Yes.
And that is a major trend in the industry. And now what we're working with our operators and our customers is basically just helping them understand what that data means. What does it mean?
Yeah.
How can you harness that?
Relatively new to be pulling all these data points constantly.
Helping an operator understand what that means to their maintenance profile, to their operational profiles.
Yeah.
So we're really leaning in on the digitization space and trying to help our clients navigate through that.
Perfect. So sustainability, digitalization, utilizing data. Is there something? Do you want to see maritime events head in that way more aggressively?
Yeah, I think shifting in that more aggressively is definitely a key part of going forward. But realistically, if you look at the Workboat show here, a great venue to talk with customers, interaction with vendors and service people such as ourselves. But what I think we need to do is push now into a little bit more of the technical space.
Yeah.
So put more of adjacent technical program that gets us talking about more complicated issues, more complex issues, so we can connect all those dots across the space, because the marine industry is changing its technology at a rapid pace right now.
Yes.
And we're all struggling to keep up. And so that sort of technical offering, I think, would be a really good addition.
Perfect. And just to kind of wrap things up here and help people understand, what is something that the average maritime employee can do to help their company realize sustainability goals? How can they really get that conversation started at their workplace?
I think the conversation starts with every individual around, sustainability, around a shift to a net zero, a shift to a more energy friendly solution. Because even realistically, if you look at every fuel you're using, if you can minimize that use, that's a good thing.
Exactly.
And it's a good thing from a cost perspective, but it's also a good thing for other reasons as well.
Perfect. And is there anything else you want to leave our viewers with that you might see on the radar for not just 2024, but maybe, by 2030, things that you're looking for?
I think the big thing that we're looking for and shifting forward is making sure we get a good recruitment and retention plan, getting
Yep.
young professionals into the industry, making our industry attractive to people coming out of school and those sorts of things. We've been struggling with that as an industry for the past few years,
Yeah.
and I think we need to collectively work together to make this, the industry where young people want to come in and see a sensible, viable career,
Yeah.
for years to come. And that's one of the things I think we need to focus on.
That's something we've been hearing at Marine Lock for a few years now, and I think this could be the key to bring in the young talent is the digitalization, the data points, everything
Exactly.
like that.
All those things strike the right chord, strike the right interest for people, and I think it's for the young people, and I think it would be a really good thing.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Lee. We really appreciate the information. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to tune in to marinelog.com.